It's cruise day, y'all, and I could not be more excited. Today, I'm cruising out of Flynn Cruise Port, which is really just a fancy way of saying cruising out of Boston, Massachusetts. This is the first time I'm ever embarking a ship here, and I couldn't be more excited. I'm curious to see, a lot of time these regional ports have kind of sloppy embarkations, and I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm excited to see how well do they do here in Boston. Well, the only way for us to find out is for me to stop talking about it and for us to start this journey. If you're ready, I am. Let's go.
Right this way, dear.
Thank you.
This is Nellie. She'll check you in, and
Perfect.
then that's your boarding.
You're all set.
Thanks so much. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. It's cruise day, y'all, and today I'm on board the Holland America Zuiderdam for a 7-day voyage from Boston up to Quebec City. We've got stops in Portland, Maine, several in Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island. It's gonna be really, really amazing, guys. I'm pretty sure I'm the youngest person I've seen on the ship so far, and y'all, I'm not complaining. It's gonna be a relaxing cruise, and I'm here for it. But y'all, we are here today in Boston. You can see the Boston skyline out there in the distance. Get ready to load up our luggage here, and well, you can see those iconic Holland America funnels. And here I am, I'm up on deck 10. Haven't had anything to eat yet today, so I'm getting ready to head down to the Lido deck to get myself some food. But y'all, I wanted to share with you guys that I made it. It's gonna be incredible, and I couldn't be more excited. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. Real quick before I head to lunch, I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring since I'm already up here on deck 10. And well, look, it's my favorite part of any Holland America ship, the crow's nest. It's always a nice quiet space. See, just a couple folks up here. We got plenty of tables here. You can play games, puzzles. You can see reserved for board games and puzzles, or puzzles and board games. Look at this, y'all. This is beautiful. This looks amazing. Got a cafe right here. Grab yourself some drinks, perhaps some coffee. I love the crow's nest. I couldn't be more excited than this. This is going to be one of my go-to spots this week, no doubt about it. While I was up on deck 10, made my way down to deck 9 to grab some food at the buffet, but I stumbled across this along the way. Look at it. This is the thermal suite, y'all. Look at this. Got some nice heated stone loungers, towels here, and look, you've even got cold towels. So when you get out of those hot spas, you can use them. But y'all, look at this. This heated stone lounger, I'm not gonna mess up that towel, but look, you can lay back here, relax. This is, feels good. Got the Caldarium over here, aka your spa. Look at that humidity hitting me in the face. Oh, I just got slapped in the face with Vicks Vapor Rub. At least that's what it smells like. And then sometimes I crack myself up, y'all. Here's the Laconium on the opposite side, and this is your dry sauna. So you got showers all over the space here, but y'all, there's one other thing you gotta see. So make your way out of this and make a U-turn right down here. Perhaps the best part of all, this is the hydro pool. And wait till y'all see this. Look at this. We got the jetted big old hot tub. That thing sprays water, relaxes you. Y'all, right there, that's the Lido deck. That's the main pool deck. So instead of on a lot of ships, the thermal spas and just the spas in general tend to be like hidden away from everything else, here on the Zuiderdam, it is right here. I don't do a great job of relaxing, but with this, well, I might have to. As much as I love this hydro pool and the thermal suite, it's time for me to make my way out to the main Lido deck. I can't wait to see it. It's the first time. You're seeing it the same time as me. They got folks here to sell you spa services. Here it is, y'all. Look at this, you can see up above. It is an indoor solarium space. This man's already taking a nap. He said, hey, I'm getting out there, y'all. Look at this, you got some polar bears right here. Gorgeous. Hey, there are 2 kids. There's at least 2 kids on the ship. There's food out here, y'all. I haven't eaten. I don't really eat breakfast, so I'm gonna go get myself some lunch at the buffet. Is it gonna be chaos? It might be. Oh well. Look at this, y'all. Making my way into the buffet, but you got the mascot right here. It's time for me to, hello, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna get my washy on, and then I'm gonna get my eaty. So here we go. Ooh, this water is, like burning my hands. Let's go check out the buffet. It's not the biggest buffet you're gonna see. It's decent. Let's see what they have over here. Look at this. The pizza actually looks decent. I don't really hear people talk about Holland American pizza, but it looks decent. We've got some pastries and bread items over here. Ooh, that looks good. Good stuff. Some dessert up here. Got some cookies. Got macadamia, chocolate chip, peanut butter. More importantly, we got ice cream. They're serving it for people. Baked potatoes, french fries. pulled pork, got some fried chicken, some Swiss steak, macaroni. I don't know what that is, but look, we got cold cut station, deli meats. Then you got several of these beverage stations around here. So you got coffee, water, juices, different vegan salads. Look, all sorts of different salads. This got a whole salad bar. Mackenzie, my wife, she's a vegetarian. She would definitely like that. On the other side, it's mirror setup, same thing, but it's not the biggest buffet you ever see, but it'll work. Got myself to the buffet. Not the biggest buffet. Not like the best selection in the world, but I'm hungry, so really it doesn't matter. I'll eat just about anything at this point. Let's try it. This is the Swiss steak. Tender. I don't love the sauce that's on there, but decent. I would go with a fair on that. Let's try it. They call it the fried chicken. I'll be honest, it looks more like a chicken tender, but they call it fried chicken. Somewhere in between chicken tenders and fried chicken. It's not quite either one, but it's pretty good. I'll go with a very good on that. A fair on the Swiss steak, and I'm going to enjoy it. This is going to be a great cruise. My friend Lynn, here on YouTube, she's always telling me, Evan, wait till you see on the Zuiderdam how open everything feels, because you've got ocean views from wherever you go. And look, we're out here on the Lido deck, and she couldn't be more right. It is gorgeous ocean views. I got some food in my stomach. Now it's time to head out and explore some more. Hello, thank you, thank you. Look at this, y'all. This is the pool at the aft of the ship. Got a nice pool out here. Look at that, like, couch thing. Interesting. Got set up for drinks out here. I think this is where they had sailaway parties, so it looks like they're setting up for the champagne toast or something like that. You got some great views. You see, yeah, they're definitely set up for the sailaway party out here. We're still here in Boston. We haven't sailed away yet. In fact, we got several more out. Look, Boston's kind of an industrial port. Got a big evergreen cargo ship there. But the one other thing you see out here, right here, the bar. Depending on how hot it gets out here, this might be one of my spots. We'll see. I think I might grab a drink before I explore more, but this is definitely this one of the spots to be. Back up here at the Lido deck, and guys, if you need to buy any equipment, look, you can get binoculars up here right on the Lido deck. A bunch of photo frames, coffee mugs, and then they can also help you out with various packages. You've got a desk over here, or they can help you with any spa services. Then also, if you want to get yourself a drink package, see, you got lists of what your different options are, waters, wines. Then you got your food and dining selections as well. Really nice that they pull all that together for you right here in the Lido deck. I'm just making my way across, but it is nice that they have that. So, is Holland America the most family-friendly cruise line? Probably not, but that doesn't mean you still can't have some fun. Y'all, we're up here on deck 11. This is the very top of the ship, and this is a sports court. Look at this, y'all. Not only do they have basketball, they have full court basketball. When have you ever seen that on a cruise ship? Really, really impressive. They've got pickleball, balls and rackets over here. You got volleyball, soccer, and of course, basketball. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, Evan, if you didn't make cruise videos, would you make it to the NBA? Well, let's find out. One shot, one bucket. No, come on. There it is. There it is. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Am I destined for the NBA? Well, you guys might have just seen a legend in the making. Officially time to get the muster drill done. See here, this is my station, B15. Other cruise lines, you can do them right as soon as you board, not on Holland America. On Holland America, they don't start them until 2:30. But the good news, if you wait until about 3:15, they're gonna play a few announcements, tell you, hey, it's time, but there's no line. So I can get mine done really easily now because, well, it's not too late. It's 3:08. So, yes, I was a little naughty. I waited a few minutes, but not that bad. More importantly, I didn't have to wait a long line. So it's done. Now it's time to go enjoy the sailing. Here we go, y'all. I made it to my cabin. This is cabin 1129, and it's toward the aft of deck 1 all the way down on the bottom. And as we make our way in here, you can see got a nice porthole ocean view window there. It's honestly a really nice room. This is a 20-some-year-old ship, and honestly, this is really, really nice. So as we make our way in here, got a nice, comfortable queen-size bed, got a television over, or just across from it. Make our way over here. Got a nice size sofa, right? I'm probably not gonna use it. Maybe I will just to relax. It's not included, but not many cruise lines have snacks in the rooms that you can buy, and they're not horrible. Like this peanut M&Ms, $2.95. Above the sofa here, got your life jackets up here. So unlike a lot of cruise cabins, they're not taking up space in your main closets. Small desk, nice mirror. What's up, y'all? Over here in the storage, you gotta look at this. blankets, y'all. That'll be nice, I'm sure, as we sail through Canada. Got a decent sized mini safe. Honestly, I could probably store a laptop in there. It's actually one of the bigger ones I've seen. And then below that, you got a mini fridge. It's not huge, but hey, that's perfectly sufficient. I also like that it's off the ground. Those drinks not included, but the fact that they've got them in there, again, that's a really nice touch. 3 drawers down there. Over here, this opens up both sides. See, storage up top. You're not gonna hang big stuff, you can hang shirts and whatnot there. And then you've got yet another closet. And this one has more hanging space. You can put pants, dresses, whatever. And I also really like that it comes with an umbrella. That's a nice touch. And then of course, the bathroom. Let's see it. Fortunately, it is a shower curtain. That's one thing they did not upgrade whenever they refurbished all this, but I'll take it. Got nice shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Is it a huge bathroom? No, absolutely not. But is it perfectly sufficient for what I need? Yes. So y'all, again, this is cabin 1129. It's almost at the very aft of deck 1, all the way at the bottom of the ship. It's got a nice porthole ocean view window, and it's my home for the next 7 days, and well, I think it's gonna be a nice one. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. It's time for the sail away party, and it's about to begin out here at the aft of deck 9. Hear the music, get ready to go. Me, I'm out here looking at the views because, well, I'm like a kid in a candy store because y'all look, we're right across from Logan International Airport, and you can actually see, we're about to see one right here. You see this plane taking off? Oh, how awesome. So amazing. I'm a geek for aviation and all forms of travel, trains, planes, automobiles, and cruise ships. Look at that, that is incredible. Leaving the city of Boston behind, we won't be back because this is a one-way itinerary. We're heading to Quebec City in Canada.
Baby, get down, walk it on yourself, walk it on yourself. Here we go, hey! Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance.
So this is like a proper sail away party. They got hors d'oeuvres they're bringing around, but the problem is there's none to eat this stuff with. So I got 2 shawls. Is that fancy enough? But we'll get the job done. We're about to find out. Let's see. It's like salmon, cranberry, something like that. I think it gets the job done. YMCA is about to begin, but y'all, cheers. It's time for dinner on night 1, and well, let's see, we're here at the dining room. All the assigned dining times are taken, so I just gotta get in line. It's nice because I don't have an assigned time, but drawback is I gotta wait in line, so we'll see how long this takes. Give this crab seafood salad a try. There's some scallops on here, tiny baby shrimp. It says crab in the title, so I'm sure there must be some crab in here, but it's interesting. I'll give it a try. Didn't realize it still has its tail on it. Oops, it's pretty good. I'm gonna go with a very good on this. Round 2 is served. This is the fisherman's chowder. Let's see. I don't know what it is, but a good clam chowder is supposed to be kind of like thick, right? It's not a real runny soup. For some reason on cruise ships, they just can't replicate the consistency. It is always runny. And this too is runny. Mid, as the kids would say. Or as an old man like me would say, that's fair. It's not bad. It's a little bit light on the seafood. There's not much filler in there. And it is just way too runny. Dinner has arrived. And look at this, y'all. We got pork medallions. It's got some cranberry sauce and whatnot. So we're going to see. I'm going to start with the pork. We'll see how this is first. Very good. Not yummy, but considering the scale they're cooking these at, I think this is good. So I'm going to go with the very good. I'm definitely going to enjoy it. The menu said what kind of cheesecake this is. I don't remember, but it's got mushroom on here. It looks chocolate. I don't know if it's like a graham cracker. I have no idea. Interesting. I don't love it. I don't hate it. But it's not great. I'll go with the fair on that. I don't need a whole bunch of sugar anyways. But fair. Making our way out after dinner number 1. It was good. Nothing incredible. Nothing especially memorable or great. But it was good. Dinner number 1 in the books. Now it's time for the show. Time for the show here on night number 1. And it's starting with a comedy show, which is it was surprising because they always have comedy shows on cruise ships, but usually not on night 1. Usually it's like a variety show or something like that to kind of introduce people to what's going to be on the ship. But tonight it's a comedy show.
Yeah, I love it. Congratulations, guys. You found where the theater is. That's good.
Oh, yeah, this is so great. Woo! Yeah, I always look like somebody famous. The most famous person I looked like was, I'd be back in the 1990s, and people would come up to me and they'd say, "Excuse me, are you Lady Diana?" And my dad would look at me and like get up and change the channel. And I'm like, oh my God, I'd have to risk electric shock with my fuzzy slippers across the shag carpeting.
For the Billboard Onboard. That means piano bar. It's a little bit different than the Conics down. The newer ships, this would be directly across from Rolling Stone Rock Room. Actually, I like this a lot better because it's not competing. You can actually enjoy it. And I just walked up in the middle of the show, got a seat. I'm a big fan of that. Y'all know, there's a song every time it plays. I gotta stop. Whatever I'm doing, I gotta record. This is it, y'all. Teardrop in my country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, Lord, take me home. Country road.
And the cats in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy moon, the man in the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when, but we'll get together, man.